this is the finished product for the elliptical lab. I lost the first video that I was making, and I'll try to add that. I'm not sure if I can, if YouTube will let me, but I'll do my best. But this is the furthest, furthest distance. This is the second furthest. So, furthest, second furthest, third furthest center mass. This is the way I hope that it was supposed to be done. It's the only way I could make it work. I tried to use twine, thinking that it would be a little bit more rigid. It did not work, so I had to abort that plan and go with thread. I have like 6 of these that did not work out because of that twine. I think all in all, it did exactly how it was supposed to. And this kind of gives a good example of the way planets move around the sun. The further away they are, the more elliptical their orbit, which would explain why the further away, the longer it takes, because at one of these points they'll be moving really slow, whereas the more solid one is going to be more fast-paced, consistent pace. And I think that's where you get your, evolutions around the sun and everything like that. But I think all in all, it went good. I tried to get as many pictures as I could. My fiance wasn't here to take pictures, but I tried to get as many as I could. Sorry if they're a little lackluster. I usually try to add good pictures to my thing. I wasn't able to get any drawing this, but believe me, I'm the one that drew it. This thing right here gave me a handful, a lot more than I was expecting, especially since I don't feel good. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but all in all, I think it was a fun project. Don't know if there was a way to really make it easier. I did try fishing line, a heavy test, about 60 pound test, so it was more sturdy, but it didn't really give me the smooth that I was thinking it would give me. But what I did do was, instead of tying the string from tack to tack, I tied a circle and put it around it, and then just used each side. And actually, I'll demonstrate that. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I'm having to use the fishing line because I don't know what happened to my thread. So, well, it's not going to work. Alright, after that last totally epic fail, try this again. So, don't have any help, so it's kind of hard to do. But this is how I did it. If I can ever get it to go right, I apologize. So this is how I did it. But it actually stayed in. You get the point. But yeah, that was the one difference that I did make.